welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. Today we're going to be playing around with my newest palette that I did receive from BoxyCharm, the iconic, what is it, Day to Slay eyeshadow palette. And yes, this was my choice item because I just looked at it. Oh my gosh, look at this beauty. It is so beautiful. I have been playing around with it for like the past couple days. So I'm going to do like a daytime look right now, and then afterwards I'm going to transform that daytime look into a nighttime look that you can wear. It has beautiful mattes and beautiful shimmers and glitters. It's just all around just the perfect neutral palette, I think, in my mind. My face is already done and I am baking. A full list of products will be down below in the description box, so if you are interested, go check that out. But other than that, if you do want to see my daytime and my nighttime look using the iconic London Day to Slay eyeshadow palette, then just please keep on watching. I'm taking the shade Marshmallow on a big fluffy brush. Just a tiny bit of that all over my eye, all the way from the lid all the way to the brow bone, just because I want that little like color there. I want a nice base for when I apply the colors. This helps to blend out the colors better, in my opinion. After that, I am going in with Ultimate Tan on a fluffy blending brush, and I'm just going to be dragging this along my crease. After that, I'm taking the shade Taupe de Taupe on a smaller eye blending brush, and I'm going to just deepen up that color a little bit, give it some dimension. So I'm applying it to the outer part of the V of my eye, and then dragging it, blending it slowly inwards and into that other color. Whatever's extra on my brush, I'm just going to drag slightly on the bottom. Next, I will be going in with Bronze Babe. And I haven't played with this color, so I'm super excited. I'm just going to be taking my finger. Ooh, pretty. I'm just going to be applying that kind of like in the middle of my eyelid. Ooh, look. Then after that, I'm taking the shade Peach Fizz. And that I'm going to be applying into my inner corner. And brow bone. After that, I'm just going to be applying a light highlight, and I'm going to be using this for my Ulta Face, or Just Face It palette. A mix of these two highlighters right here. I like using these for like daytime and when I just want something like really soft. And then you already know, fixing my eyebrows, curling my lashes, eyeliner, mascara, all of that. Then we move on to lips. I always have to moisturize, of course. Since it is daytime, I'm going to keep it neutral. You know what? I haven't done a gloss in a really long time. I want to do gloss today. But before that, I'm going to be applying, this is the Maybelline Matte, what is it? In Beige Babe. And then for gloss today, I'm going to be taking the iconic London, because of course I have to pair it with the iconic palette. This is the iconic London Plumping Lip Gloss. This one is in a Love Struck. Love Struck. I said that? What's wrong with me? So pretty. So this is what I have for the daytime. Hey guys, so we're back. It has been about 10 hours now since I did do my day makeup, and now we're going to go ahead and try to turn this into a nighttime type of makeup look. So I am a little bit oily on the forehead, not so much on my nose because I've been blowing my nose all day. I'm still trying to get over that little cold or whatever it was that I have, but I am going to kind of touch up around that area because makeup has come off a little bit on my cheeks. I'm going to go in with my Becca, the flash, I'm sorry. Go in with the Becca, what is it, the Set and Refresh. Put that, like here. A little bit on my forehead. Like where I get oily is where I need to like retouch. And I'm just going to be getting more of my FitMe powder 130, just a tiny bit. And I do feel like I need a little bit more blush also, so I'm taking my Wonder Trip for 2. Again, and just getting my blush. Now that we have that situation good, let's look back into our palette. And I'm trying to see, because I did use bronze on the eyelid. Now I'm going to be taking a concealer brush just like this. And I'm going in with Velvet Crush. And this I'm going to start putting on the inner part of my lid. And then here towards the outside. I'm going to just connect it like at the top here. I'm going for like a halo type of eye right now, so that's why I did it inner, outer, and I'm kind of connecting it right here. I'm still going to be applying a shade in the middle there. You can still kind of see the bronze peeking through there. After I have that in place, I do want to go in with a fluffy brush. And I'm going to go ahead and pick up a little bit of Bellini. I don't want too much, but I do want this shade to apply here at the top, right on top of that Velvet Crush. I'm using this to kind of blend it up there. And I'm taking a smaller brush like this with that same shade Bellini right underneath here for the lash line. After that, I am taking a super tiny brush. This is the e.l.f. concealer brush, the very tiny one. And I'm going to be picking up the shade Icon. And we're going to be covering up or attempting to cover up that bronzy shade in the middle. And yes, I am going to be applying a little bit of that Icon shade for my inner corner highlight and brow bone as well. If you do feel like you have a little bit on your eyelashes, just gonna like, I'm going to brush my eyebrows because they lost a little bit of their shape while I was working up there. And I'm going to be reapplying my eyeliner because you can see it kind of like went away underneath those shadows. I'm also going to go ahead and reapply some mascara, not too much because I don't want it to look like too comfy, but just a tiny bit to both upper and lower lashes. And it's completely up to you. It is nighttime if you want to put on falsies. I'm just going to leave it like this because I ain't going nowhere. I'm also going to go ahead and reapply my eyeliner on my waterline. We also need more highlight. I like to go a little bit more ba-bam at night. You already know my favorite highlight palette, these ones. Let's go in with this pinky one. What do I want to do for lips for nighttime? Actually, anything can go with this look. It's pretty neutral. I'll be using my Maybelline Superstay Ink Crayon, and this is in Make It Happen. This is the final nighttime look. What do you guys think? How did you like it transitioning from like daytime to nighttime? Because it is day to sleep, and you don't have to do this. Obviously, I'm just doing this because I think it's a cool way to show you how you can go, like if you want to go neutral, very soft for during the day, and then if you come home and then you want to go out for the evening, that very same day you can go in with that same palette and just do some modifications and turn your look completely around. Let me just tell you guys that I am completely in love with this palette, completely in love. All the shadows are super soft, or at least the ones that I've tried, and I've tried plenty of them. All of them are super soft, super easy to blend, the matte ones, and the shimmers are so creamy. Really highly recommend if you are a neutral lover like I am. Perfect, that is like all you need. But anyways, that was all for this video. I really hope you did enjoy both of my looks, both for the daytime and nighttime. Don't forget to subscribe down below if you are not yet. Give this video a big thumbs up if you did enjoy, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye!